Hi, everybody. I'm Benjamin Whitcomb. Be sure to follow all these social media, subscribe at YouTube. You don't want to miss a thing. Welcome to today's Minute to Win It. Today's tip is bite-sized chunks. Very often we bite off more than we can chew. Let's say that you're just learning something like the berets from the third Bach cello suite and you play. You're already going too far. If you're first learning this piece, we need to do smaller chunks. If maybe even that's too much. So you go till you like it. And you work on that. You work on getting from assembling them together. And then you work on. And then. So you take small chunks and you assemble them together. You dovetail them together. One of the things that's probably slowing you down in your progress is you're trying to take on too much at a time. Take a smaller chunk.